What if I told you never have to pay for Capcut again? Yes, the same Capcut that everyone's using to make viral videos, perfect edits, and pro-level transitions. While others are spending money every month just to use a few extra features, you're about to learn the secret trick to unlock everything for free forever. No trial, no hacks, no risk. Just one simple method that most people have no idea even exists. Imagine this: automatic subtitles, background remover, smooth slow motion, trending effects, all completely free. That's exactly what Capcut doesn't want you to know, but today, I'm showing you step by step how creators are using Capcut's best tools without paying a single rupee or dollar. This isn't some complicated process, it's super easy, but you have to watch till the end, because if you miss even one step, it might not work for you. So don't skip, don't click away. The next 2 minutes could change how you edit forever. Let's get started. The very first step is to open your web browser and go to capcut.com. Once you're on the homepage, click the button that says Download for free. This will begin downloading the PC version of Capcut, which is completely free to install. After the download finishes, simply install the software by following the installation steps on your screen. Since I already have Capcut installed on my computer, I'll skip that part, but once you're done, launch the Capcut app. When you open Capcut for the first time, you'll see the main interface. Now, it's important to set where your projects will be saved. So, go to the Settings option. You'll usually find it in the top corner. Then click on the Drafts section. Here you'll notice a setting labeled Save To, followed by a file path. This shows the folder location where Capcut will store your draft files. You can change this folder location to any place on your computer where you want your projects to be saved. Just click Change, pick your folder, and hit Save. At this point, you'll notice something. I haven't logged into Capcut, and it's already showing me a banner or pop-up asking me to join Pro. Just click on Create Project to continue without logging in. Now, you'll enter the full editing interface. This is where you can start working on your video. Begin by importing the videos or images you want to edit. Just drag and drop them or use the import button. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to create a simple 10-second clip to show you how to use Capcut's Pro features, like premium text, advanced animations, and special effects completely free. These are normally locked behind a paywall, but I'll guide you through a method to use them without paying a single penny. As I edit the video, I'm adding several pro features. For example, high-quality animated text, motion transitions, and other advanced effects. Once I'm happy with the edit and click export, a message pops up saying that I can't export the file because I've used pro features. It even shows a list of all the pro features used in the clip, and it stops me from continuing unless I upgrade to the paid pro plan. But here's the trick: you don't need to pay. Go back to the timeline and select everything you've added, all your clips, text, effects, and transitions. Once everything is selected, right-click and choose the option called Convert to Compound Clip. What this does is combine all your elements into a single unified clip. Then right-click again and choose Pre-Process Compound Clip. This will take a few moments as Capcut processes the final video. Once the processing is complete, you'll see your project name. In my case, it's labeled 0617. Now here's where the real magic happens. Go to the folder location you selected earlier for saving your Capcut drafts. Inside that folder, you'll find another folder with your project name, such as 0617. Open it and look for a folder named Resources. Inside that, you'll find another folder named Combination. Open that folder and you'll see a video file. This is your fully rendered clip, complete with all the pro features you added. You can now use that video anywhere. You can upload it, share it, or further edit it in other software. And the best part, you never had to pay for the pro version. So this is the simple method that most people have no idea about. A hidden trick that lets you use Capcut's premium features 100% free. No login required. No hacks, no risk. Just smart editing and a bit of folder navigation. Use this method to save money and still create professional level videos right from your PC. And that's it. Now you know how to use all the pro features in Capcut completely free. No login, no subscription. Just smart editing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful editing tricks.